Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join a fantasy football league on Sleeper. So, first of all, you'll have to download the Sleeper app and create an account. Now, in order to join an existing league, you will have to ask for an invite link from the league commissioner. After you get the link from the league commissioner, you'll have to just click on the link to join directly. To create your own league, you'll have to go to the main menu and create a league. Once in the league, you'll be assigned a team. You can customize your team name, logo, and draft settings if needed. Once your league's draft date is set, prepare your picks and be ready to draft when the time arrives. So, in Sleeper, you need an invitation link to join an existing league. Make sure the league commissioner sends you the correct link. Once you click it, you should be able to join it directly. If joining an existing league isn't an option for you, you can create a new one within the app. In the main menu, you get this play plus icon at the top. You'll have to click on it and choose a league. Then click on create league option, give your league a name, click on next again, choose league type, choose league size, choose the draft type, and you will have successfully created a league. And you will get this small league invitation link. Now anyone can join your league using this link if you share it to the person. You will have to also ask for this exact link from the commissioner of that league to join it. So that's how you join a fantasy football league on Sleeper. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.